Hi, my name is Simrat Palkar. Today I am going to discuss about the assignment 1 state transition diagram regarding the Oral-B Braun 5000 electric toothbrush. Firstly, I am going to discuss about some functionalities of the Oral-B Braun 5000 electric toothbrush, as in it has a smart features which includes the pressure sensor, the whitening mode, the gum care mode, the deep cleaning mode and the sensitive mode, and it also help for a various suitable cleaning options as well. We can use a Bluetooth and while the brushing as well, and it has two main functions like the brushing and the quadrant timers. Including the quadrant timers, we can also send the signals to the devices after every 30 seconds, and it is also useful for like using a smart screen when a guide is displayed, and the toothbrush can be synchronized with a smartphone using the Oral-B app. The brush also comes with a charger and it can be charged, and if the blue light is turned off, the brush is charging, and once the brush is charged, the charging light goes out. Second, I discuss some functionalities of the Oral-B 5000 smart guide. So it comes with many different modes like the daily clean mode, the deep cleaning mode, the sensitive, the white gum or the tongue cleaning mode. It also indicates the pressure on the teeth, and if it is pressed, the toothbrush goes into a sensitive mode. Secondly, it has a quadrant of circle feature like in the smart guide, which displays when moved to the next quadrant of the mouth, it flashes a relevant segments. It also indicate on a smart guide which display the batteries when are low, they have to be replaced, and it also have a wall mount is provided in case the user wishes to mount the smart guide on the wall. And I use the Draw.io web tool, which is very free of cost and very useful for making the UML diagram. So I prefer this software as it is very helpful, and it is used for the designing and modeling purpose, and it can be loaded anytime on the web application. So it is the best choice to draw the state transition diagram. Talking about my state transition diagram, like between the toothbrush and the smart screen, I used like first when it starts, and so it goes to a decision: is the toothbrush charged? If is yes, then start the toothbrush. If no, then go to the charging. Then the other mode, it's the smart guide display, which is a default mode, and then it goes to the other mode, which is also a default mode, a daily cleaning mode. Then we have a user brushing, then a pressure text sensor, which is a text. Then we have a brushing text, and then also the turn off the brush, which is the terminate point. And if the brushing teeth is not satisfied, it go back to the brushing. So when we start the toothbrush, it is connected through a Bluetooth, which is a smart guide, and on using the default mode, which is a smart guide display, we have other modes like the gum care mode, sensitive mode, whitening and deep cleaning mode. So these all went to the smart guide display. We can also use a smart guide display with a time personalized, and we can also set the clock. And if further, I use some test cases. Like in the test cases I did using the smart guide display, which has a different other modes. I use the pressure check, like if we use the gum care, it has a normal pressure check. If we use a sensitive mode, it has a high pressure check, and if we use the whitening, normal, and if we use the tongue cleaning, it has a low pressure check. So these are the test cases which I have done in my toothbrush and smart screening transition diagram. Thank you.